There's Fade out there trying to find a deer. You find a rattlesnake. Oh, you missed. Got the head. You almost shot the head off. Let him die. Good? He's still twitching.
I don't know if he'll die because his head's not done.
Yeah, hold on. We just gotta get a stick or something. Well, another one.
3 for 3, baby.